buddies, I am RJ Varun, grade 5B from Rimbas Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo. In the absolute field of mortal mind, revel to the closed portable eyes of trance or in some deep internal solitude, witnessed by a strange immaterial sense, the signals of eternity appear. Thank you. Bye.
Hello buddies, now Arjanshika grade 9 from Primbats Garden School. Today's Karmyogi Appa message. Hearts are sentiment to be happy or smiling in an atmosphere of sadness. In truth, sadness and smiling happiness are physical sensations in the opposite direction. The human atmosphere permits one, not the other. There is no sadness in the physic, nor the happiness of the physical sensation. In an other way, sad situation, the psychic feels a sweet, quiet attitude which does not express as an inappropriate smile. Thank you, bye.
வணக்கம் மக்களே, பேக் டு ஹெவன் எக்ஸ்ப்ளோரர். நான் உங்க ஆர்ஜே கனிஷா, கிரேட் 5 ஃப்ரம் பிரிம்பட்ஸ் கார்டன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சொல்ல பார்க்க போற பிளேஸ் த லேண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ராபெரிஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கேன் யூ கெஸ் த பிளேஸ்? மகாபாலேஸ்வர் டூரிசம். Mahabaleshwar is a hill station located in the Western Ghats in Satara district of Maharashtra. Apart from its strawberries, Mahabaleshwar is also well known for its numerous rivers, magnificent cascades, and majestic peaks. It is among the most sought after weekend getaways from Pune and Mumbai. Located about 120 km southwest of Pune and 285 km from Mumbai. Mahabaleshwar is also a sacred pilgrimage place for Hindus as the Krishna River originates from here. Once a summer capital of the British, the hill station of Mahabaleshwar comprises of ancient temples, boarding schools, manicured and lush green dense forest, waterfalls, hills, valleys. It is often used as a base to visit the magnificent Pratapgarh Fort, located an hour away. Malcolm Peth, Old Keshra Mahabaleshwar and the region of the Shindola village are the three villages that make Mahabaleshwar. Thank you. Bye.